Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat is a full 27 feet 1 inch overall bow to stern. It has a beam of 8 foot 6 inches and a weight of approximately 5,700 pounds. Starting here on the transom, first thing you'll notice, this boat is equipped with the new Mercury 300 V8. Great product from Mercury. It's been a real winner for us. On the swim platform, you'll see we have SeaDek material, which gives you great traction, great look, has that great nautical look, complements the boat well. You've got seating across the transom as well with storage underneath. Lots of room for your wakeboards, water toys, life jackets, dock lines, etc. As we step up into the cockpit, you've got a freshwater shower to rinse off after you've been out in the water. As you step through into the cockpit area, you've got a great L-shaped seating here, and as far as seating capacity, this boat is yacht certified. Over on the starboard side, you have a sink wet bar area, cup holders, and then a really neat feature, you have a cool box. So you have a cooler that is refrigerated. Keep your drinks and snacks cold. As we step up on the port side, you have a nice pump out head, very spacious, with sink, with overhead light. Over in the helm area, you've got the new 9-inch Simrad display. All your boat information is here. This is your engine information. You can also pull up the chart plotter, the sonar. You have Fusion, Bluetooth stereo, Mercury digital throttle and shift as well. As we step up into the bow, you have a swim ladder in the bow with a freshwater shower here. So when you come up after you've been out in the water, each bow seat has drop-down armrest. And one signature note of Sea Ray, the stitching, the quality of the vinyl is first rate. You have great storage under each under each front seat, bow seat, and they're also hinged, so you don't have to pick it up and stick it out of the way. Just a lot of fine details like that. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat at any time. Give us a call, 910-256-8100.